Good morning dear students. Welcome to the English session with me. So today I am going to start a very interesting lesson of your syllabus, Harry Potter Learns Quidditch, written by J.K. Rowling. Students, J.K. Rowling is a renowned British English author and is famous for his Harry Potter series. He has won millions of hearts through his Harry Potter series. This chapter is an extract from Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stones, which shows how a young wizard discovers the joy of his magical world. Students, in this lesson, there are three main characters. First is Harry Potter. Second is Ron. Ron is Harry Potter's friend of Harry Potter. And the third one, Oliver Wood. Oliver Wood is Harry Potter's mentor. You can say Oliver Wood is the person who teaches Harry Potter how to play the game Quidditch. Mentor is a teacher. So there are three main characters: Harry Potter, Ron, friend of Harry Potter, and Oliver Wood, Harry Potter's teacher. So in this lesson, students, I will tell you how many players are required to play this game, as it is very clear from the title of the lesson only that Quidditch is the name of the game. Now let's discuss how many players are required in this game. Total players required in this game are 7. 7 players. Who are they? I will tell you. There are 3 chasers. Let's categorize the names of these players. 3 chasers, 2 beaters, 1 keeper, and 1 seeker. What are the role of these players? That we'll discuss afterwards. Now there are 4 balls required in this game. There are 4 special balls are required in this game, and the name of those balls are there are 4 balls. Remember this thing? There are 4 balls. 1 Quaffle, 1 ball is Quaffle, and 2 bludgers, 1 golden snitch. 1 Quaffle, 2 bludgers, and 1 golden snitch. Quaffle is the biggest ball and it is red in color. 2 bludgers, they are smaller than Quaffle and they are black in color. And the last ball, golden snitch, it is the most important ball. Golden snitch, it is golden in color and it is the smallest ball in the game. Now what are the function, what are the role of these balls and the players, we'll discuss afterwards. Now one more thing which is very important to know, that in this game 1 broomstick is also required, because the players have to fly around using this broomstick, and the name of that broomstick is Nimbus 2000. Broomstick. Harry Potter is also very excited to play this game because he has to fly around over the Quidditch pitch through this broomstick, and the name of this broomstick is Nimbus 2000, as it is written over the broomstick. Nimbus 2000. Nimbus 2000. So you have to keep these things in the mind. There are 7 players required in this game, 4 balls, the name of the balls, the name of the players, and the name of the broomstick. Now let's discuss about the lesson. Let's summarize the lesson. Harry Potter was waiting to learn Quidditch that evening. He even couldn't concentrate on his lessons. As 7 o'clock drew nearer, Harry left the castle and set off towards the Quidditch pitch with his new broomstick, Nimbus 2000. Students, you know this thing? The name of that broomstick was Nimbus 2000. He was very eager to fly. The Oliver Wood. Oliver Wood arrived, his mentor. He started to teach Harry about Quidditch game. He told that there were 7 players required to play this game of Quidditch. Let's categorize the players. 3 chasers, there were 7 players. Out of these players, 3 chasers, 1 keeper, 2 beaters and 1 seeker. Now what are the role of these players? The chasers throw a ball called quaffle. I have already told you about the balls. Quaffle was the biggest ball. The chasers throw a ball called quaffle and get it through one of the hoops to score a goal. Now, keeper has to fly around over the hoops and stop the other team from scoring. Now, what is the function of beaters? Beaters have to protect their side from the bludgers and try to knock them towards the other team. Now, the last role of the seeker. Seeker has to catch golden snitch. Wood told Harry Potter about the club. Club is the stick here, and the bludgers. The Weasley twins were the beaters. Harry will be seeker in this team, in this game. His job was to catch the golden snitch. And I told you students that golden snitch was the most important ball of the lot. It was very hard to catch because it was so fast and difficult to see. Harry's part as a player was so difficult because the golden snitch was so fast that it could not be in hold easily. The lost record was 3 months. Harry understood what Oliver Wood explained about the game. I hope you understood the lesson, students.